Hello, back with another video again. And we are still on Nature Boy, so let's just get on into it. I'm gonna play an audio about, I'd say, 3 minutes, and it's about Nature Boy and that statement. I haven't seen it yet, but it's about that statement that he said why he don't be around children. Okay, let's get into it. Let's just get into it. Come on, let's do it. Fake life because she benefit from white supremacy. I don't know what the hell he's talking about. He on tripping. Fuck Nature Boy, he left his kids. But why you don't let kids there? You know why I don't let kids there? You know why I don't let kids around me, other people, kids around me? Because the way I am. See, me, I like to be naked. Let me tell you a little son about Nature Boy. See, me, I'm a real human. See, my kids, when I see my son, this is how I treat my son. We naked together. My son started being ashamed of his body, and I seen it happen. I didn't want that to happen. They made him ashamed of his body. They showed him that he was naked. I did not want him to know he was naked. I said, son, look here. I didn't even want him to be in a world where he knew he was naked. I wanted my son to be so pure that he never knew he was naked. I take bath with my kids. I'm naked with my kids. I have sex in front of my kids. Which way? I have sex in front of my kids. I have sex in front of my kids. Okay, that's a little extra. He has sex with in front of his kids. But at the beginning he said that he don't like to be around other people's kids. But when he's around his kids that are from him, he goes all the way out. He has sex, and he does his thing. Wow. Interesting. I think I'm gonna do my nails. I got a chip in my nail. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just paint it. Oh, why is this sticky? My daughter been in my stuff. Oh, where's this polish? Just 1 second. So I guess he's saying that he don't like to be around other people's kids. So the rumor is that there's some kids in the area, and he's known for never wearing any clothes and being able to, do his thing. But he just said on this thing that he where's his polish? He said that on this thing that he don't do that in front of other people's kids, just his kids. That's what he said. Just his kids. He doesn't do that. So but that's still kind of weird to be doing that. But I mean, if it's your kids, I don't know. God, why would anybody have? It's a strange world we live in. Trust me, your kid is gonna be normal. Just be normal. You don't have to worry about it being. Why are you so worried about the kid and how the kid feels about being naked and nude and stuff? Does he really need to be exposed to that type of thing right now? Is this the polish? I think this is it. Does he really need to be exposed to nudity right now? Like, is that a must right now to be like, oh, okay, I get it. You don't want your kids to be all, weird about nudity and stuff like that. But is it really necessary to be on that level right now? Is it that serious? Okay, let's go back. I'll never be ashamed of sex. My son. See, look at my nails. Breastfeeding, I'll be making love to his mom. That's me, bro. Bitch, what? That's how I get down around kids. I try to keep their purity. I don't want to take their purity away by covering myself up. Okay, I'm gonna fix this now, Joe. And I'm pure at heart, so you can think in your mind, if I let another kid here, I'm gonna have to change the way I am so that your kid can be comfortable around me. No, I'm gonna be naked as fuck in front of your kids. Bitch, what? Okay, so he is. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm listening to this audio thing, and oh wow, he said his son comes and grabs up on his penis. Now that could be a little dangerous, can it? I mean, what if he was to grab it? But because you know, kids. Remember when babies, had them little white shoes, and that was dangerous alone, just being around them with their little white shoes. I can't imagine your stuff just be out, and they can come up and pull on it or whatever. But anyway, I mean, that's his son though. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, let's get into it.
I let him grab my penis. I had sex with his mom. I'm making love to his mother. After I'm done, I'm laying there chilling. He grabbed my penis. And he's playing with my penis. I let that happen. Bitch, what? I have to drop. Might have to drop the dime on him. My son played my penis. Like, I said, yeah, you got one too. They kids, they want to know.
I have to drop the dime.
I make love right in front of them. I make love to their mama right in front of them. Like a real man. I don't like that shit for sure, bro.
True team, men are like that. Let's just be real. If they had a chance to, they would try to get some. They don't care that their kids be in the other room. They don't care. They don't care. The women will be like, oh no, Johnny's in the other room. Mm-mm. Not the men. No, not daddy. Daddy don't care. Daddy be like, we'll figure it out. And when they're babies, they don't think nothing of it. But okay, I mean, oh, let me just do one thing, and then we'll look at it. I'm about to put this polish on. I know you're like, really? You are about to put some polish on right in the middle of your video? I'm one of these people that have to be doing stuff. I can't sit still, do videos. I'm new at this, but it's not even the right one, but it'll have to do. But we'll go ahead and cure it while I'm waiting. I mean, I'm sitting here. I might as well do something, Okay. Let's get back. Let's get back to it.
I don't like that shit. That's how I get down, homie. That's just me. And if I did that around other people's kids, they would put me under the fucking jail.
Yeah.
You can't be a real human.
That's why you're in Mexico. Hold on.
Because I ain't about to alter my life for no.
But you're in Mexico, so you ain't got to worry about that. You're in Mexico. So but this is the statement where everybody was like, he's doing that with the kids around. Now I understand. I get it now. I get it.
I walk around neck. Might have to drop. Might have to drop a dime on him.
That's a classic.
Yeah,
that was off of Belly.
Out, I got a bus for you.
Oh God. I can't believe the nigga said that shit. That's gangster. That is some gangster stuff. Did he really say that? He said that shit. But he said it was his kid. So, okay.
Yo, what's up? What's up? Hey, I've been trying to get you. I've been watching for a while, man, and I've been trying to come on, but you don't really be accepting dudes a lot, okay? I just got a lot of questions. So
don't we all?
I'll be watching y'all. I watch you. I watch True. I watch everybody that go live within your area. So my question to you is, I seen you do lives and say that you are the Messiah. You say you are the Messiah for the African Americans. And when I seen that, it made me
laugh.
Like,
laugh.
Because I read the Bible. I believe in the Holy Bible. As it is written, with no private.
Nature Board questions about gay pass hanging up on the last two callers of the day. Oh. I don't know what to think about this guy. But we heard it. He said that he didn't want to have kids around, other people's kids, and that they would throw him under the jail. But he never said that those other people's kids were around. So I'm really confused at this point. There's a lot of energy, a lot of oh, listen to me talking about energy. There's a lot of like he say, I don't know what's true, what's not true. I'm just listening to videos and I just have my opinion about it and I thought I'd just share it with you. But yeah, it's kind of wild. It's really wild. And her father, man, he's a good person. You can tell he's a good person. And that's got to be like a father's worst dream or nightmare for his daughter to be caught up in mess like that. Anyway, I just wanted to bring the information about him saying that he likes to get down with the babies around, but he also said that he don't want to be around other people's babies. So glad we cleared that up. All right. Well, I am going to come back with another one eventually, but we're going to get to the bottom of this. Bye bye.